Hello friends, today we are discussing about chapter 1, what is psychology. It is hard to define because it evolves continuously. From the beginning, study of soul, then mind, then consciousness, then human behavior. Second, the range of phenomena. It includes a wide range of phenomena that cannot be captured in one definition. Psychology, as you all know, psychology comes from Greek word psycho means soul, mind, logi means study of science, study of knowledge. This discipline defines both in terms what it study and how it study. More focuses on how it study. Definition of psychology. Psychology, science which studies mental processes. Mental processes include thinking, remembering, problem solving, reasoning, etc. Mental processes and brain activities are not the same thing. They are interdependent. Whereas mental processes and neural activities are mutually overlapping processes. Experience are subjective in nature. Experience are influenced by both the environment, internal and external. Then behavior. Behavior is overt and covert in different contexts. Psychology uses methods of biological sciences and social sciences. Psychology as a discipline. In Indian tradition, more focuses on self-reflection and analysis of conscious experience. In Western tradition, more focus on self-reflection and self-knowledge.